This video will show you how you can disable the meeting chat in a Microsoft Teams meeting or online lesson. This is a very useful tool for educators to control student access to the meeting chat in online lessons. Also, stay until the end of the video for the limitations of this feature. It is now possible to stop students in a Microsoft Teams meeting from using the meeting chat, especially when an educator is sharing their screen or presenting. To do this, click on More Actions and then click on Meeting Options. This has displayed the settings to configure the meeting chat. The Enabled option allows the students to use the meeting chat at all times, including after the meeting has ended. The In Meeting option only allows the students to use the meeting chat during a live meeting lesson. After the meeting has ended, the meeting chat will be disabled and the students will not be able to post in the meeting chat. The Disabled option prevents students from using the meeting chat during and after the meeting has ended. Let's see this from the student's point of view. If we now go to Meeting Options again and enable it, let's see what the student will see then. It is possible to configure these settings before your lesson or meeting by clicking on the pre-made meeting from your Teams calendar and selecting the meeting options. You will then be able to set the options for the meeting chat. Once set, remember to click Save. At the moment, there are a couple of limitations for this feature. For example, disabling the meeting chat only works for meetings which students have been invited to. In other words, you need to send invites by writing the students' names individually when creating the meeting in advance. Also, the meeting chat options will not be present in Meet Now channel meetings or in scheduled channel meetings. However, Microsoft is looking at this for future updates. Click on the Watch Next option to learn how to prevent students from unmuting or removing others from a meeting, and click on the subscribe and notification bell so you know when more useful videos are released.